Back in June, Venture Global ditched its plans to build an LNG processing plant in Buras. In its filing, Venture Global stated that pursuing the project wasn't the best use of its corporate resources at this time. Basically, they just changed their minds. Instead of building a new facility from the ground up, they now plan to expand their existing Plaquemines LNG plant, about doubling its current size and capacity. A number of investors had invested in property in the Buras area based on Venture Global's now abandoned plan. It's it's a common strategy in real estate investing to look for big projects like a new plant in Buras and invest in properties accordingly. But the strategy isn't without its risks. A lot of times these big plans never come to fruition. On this channel, I give sophisticated investors insight and advice concerning major developments and how they might impact real estate. But let's not forget that investment isn't without its risks. I suggest, to be on the safe side, waiting until there's solid evidence that any new plan or development is actually going to happen. I think one of the best signals that we can rely on is whether or not property has actually changed hands. When I give information about new developments or new plans, I also try to include whatever data is available about the certainty of the development. Last week, for example, I felt reasonably certain in suggesting investment opportunities in West Baton Rouge, given that SNT Global had actually purchased the land they were planning on developing. But even with all of the positive signals in the world, such as land purchases or even ground being broken and construction started, there are no guarantees. I've seen projects abandoned in the middle of construction because of unforeseen complications. The best that we can do is be aware of the risks and limit our exposure to the greatest degree possible. I'm Morgan Allison, commercial real estate advisor, and I provide clarity and help reduce risk when it comes to commercial real estate. Subscribe to this channel for other news and insight affecting commercial real estate in the greater Baton Rouge area.